today. And we will be discussing that how we as Ivanti envision enterprise service management to work together with the discovery solutions and also asset management. So we have heard today a couple of times how become complex IT services lately due to the various reasons, the pandemic, to increasing demand from the end user. They would like to work at home, maybe in hybrid. They have a number of the devices that we haven't had dealt before. So they have a tablet, mobile devices, and they would like to use it for a daily business at home, which is a kind of challenge, especially from the security standpoint. How we can just simply address all the issues. The problem is as well with the number of organizations that they think that if they buy a solution that will solve their problem. That's not always the case. Because usually the problem is that the organization is not mature enough. So we have to just simply, hold on for a second. Okay. They just invest in inappropriate software or solution, and they think that if they spend their budget, because there are some tools which are recommended, we can just easily solve the issues. And there's one of the findings from the Accenture 2020 report that there are lots of the companies. They have a really super duper tools, but they cannot use it. Why? Why? The simple answer is that they are not mature enough. So starting to improve the delivery of services should start from the improvement of the processes. So first we have to somehow evaluate how good we are in providing the services, whether we are just like a firefighter, jumping from one intervention to another, just trying to put out some fire, or maybe we are more advanced. We are just trying to automate some tasks, or maybe we are a super advanced company that we are just having a hyper automation flow. So whatever is being addressed by our customers, whether there is an incident or maybe request, that is being taken care of semi or fully automatically. That would be the desired state for the most organizations. However, most of the organizations, no matter of the size, whether they are small or big, they are something between the basic and intermediate state. How we can just improve the situation? First of all, probably you have heard about the IT, which is the IT infrastructure library. This is some kind of the nomenclature that will deal with the best industry practices in delivery of services. So this is always a starting point to align to these processes. These processes are not like an ISO that you have to just straight away follow this. You have to just adhere to them gradually and just according to your needs. That is a good starting point. But once you are more or less structured processes, that you have to just start automating. Because if you're having lots of the people working on the simple task, you are just making, you are not making that a lot of money, because you have to spend for the resources, for the manpower, a lot of the revenue. So the key is just alignment to best practices in the software delivery. Then you have to just introduce definitely some kind of the dose of the automation. And then we strive to meet the software, and service level agreements. Namely, we have to just try to meet the times of the response or delivery times of the services that we have agreed with our customers.